Okay, this is IELTS speaking part 1 and I'm going to ask you a number of different questions and you got to reply. Does your name have any special meaning?
Yes, it will have a.
Why will have a?
Yes, it.
Not the kaka in the future. You kaka at present. Okay? Yeah. So, does your name have any special meaning?
Yes, it have.
It has.
It has a special meaning. My name is Bilal. It has a significance meaning. To answer your question, my name has a significance.
Okay.
Meaning.
Does your name have any special meaning? Yes, my name has got a wonderful meaning. Bilal, he used to be the companion of Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, and he used to be the one to say call to prayer in the holy mosque of Kaaba. So my name is a religious name and it has got a special meaning. That is why my parents named me Bilal.
Okay.
Right? Good. Let's go on. मुझे साथ ले जाना speaking पे.
ठीक है sir.
I'll answer. Okay? Yeah. They have an option. 500 रुपए एक्स्ट्रा लेते हैं. आप कोई बंदा साथ ले जाए वो आंसर देगा.
ठीक है.
ठीक है. आपने सिर्फ मुंह हिलाना है. Okay. Do you think I'm joking? Yes. Yes, I am. Okay. All right. Is your name very common in your country?
Yes, in my country it is a very common name. I know a lots of people who have the same name as I have. So to answer your question,
good. This name is very common.
Common in my country.
Or there are many Bilals in my country, right? Let's go on. Do you like your name?
Yes, I like my name because.
Listen, give a simple reason. Yes, I like my name very much because she also likes it.
No.
Simple, yeah.
My mother like it.
Yeah, of course, mother. That's what I'm saying. Yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly. Okay. So, yeah, but mother or mother-in-law, that depends. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, some people call it Bilal, such a Bilal. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So please answer. Do you like your name?
Yes, I like my name very much because my mother like it very much.
Likes it very much.
Likes it very much. She gave me name.
She has given this name, or she has selected this name for me.
She has selected this name for me. That's why I like it very much.
Would you like to change your name in the future?
No,
like in the future, like Janu, Manu, anything like that. Okay. So would you like to change your name in the future?
Not at all, because I love my name very much. So I don't know. I don't want to change my name in the future.
All right, but you got to sacrifice for your love to change your name. Yeah. No, you will not do that. Okay, that's good. Now listen. Try to speak more. Answer in minimum 4, 5, 6 sentences, and don't count your sentences. Okay. You should have a feeling that now I have spoken enough for part 1. And be more confident, come up with more ideas and practice all these topics. Okay. Answers should be readily available.
Okay.
Okay? Yeah. What did you eat for lunch today? Chalo. Okay, thank you.